Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to remove the tail lights on your Range Rover Sport L320. By removing the tail light assembly, it's held on with two screws, 1 and 2. With the two screws out of the way, we're going to push and slide the taillight assembly. Okay? There are two locking pins, one here and one here. We're going to push down and slide that way. And the easiest way is put one hand on this side of the taillight while you're pushing and sliding from this. Just like that. The top one's open. We're going to do the same with the bottom. So now put one hand here at the bottom and one right here, and these locking pins are pretty tight and a little hard to get out, and if the pushing and sliding isn't working for you, you could stick your fingers in between these lines as well and pull just like that. And there's the two pins I'm talking about, and the pins go into these holes, one up here and one right down there. Now pull out. And then there's one wiring harness. And then reinstall your taillight assembly. And one tip is just be careful when you're inserting it back in, as there is a lot of wirings and you don't want it to come behind the screws or the pins. So keep those in the middle. Slide back and align this side first. So align both the pins into the hole. It's aligned, and then just give it a push. Just like that, and you'll hear a locking snap. That means it's locked into place. And then reinstall the two screws. So I really hope this quick video helped you guys out on how you can remove your tail lights in case you got to fix some wiring or replace a bad bulb or just replace the whole housing. So if this video helped you guys out, please make sure to hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.